For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, that whoever believes in Him may not perish, but may have eternal life. Okay, now what is this eternal life? Let us make a review. Okay, this is already the nth time. Ano sa may masabot og nth time? Kadaghan lang ang gibalik-balik ini-expression ng eternal life sa Ebanghelyo ni San Juan. Now this expression is the promise given to those who will listen to Him. Importante kayo ang listen. No? Eternal life is given to those who listen to Him. Now this expression appeared for the first time in the Gospel of John in chapter 3 verse 15. Naanata sa chapter 10. No? So, ako actually, I had at the back of my mind nga, i-challenge mo kapila man yun balika ng eternal life sa Ebanghelyo, sa tibok Ebanghelyo ni San Juan. So, if you do that, you begin with chapter 3, verse 15. And onwards, ihip-iphan ninyo og kapila gibalik ang eternal life. At least a little bit of you, a little something for you to pagpadikay-sikay, pag-utingkay sa Ebanghelyo ni San Juan. Okay, so, and this begins in the here and now. Eternal life is not something in the end. Eternal life is something that begins in the here and now. It is part of its ongoing realization is hopefulness. Haom na po kayo atong tema ron na tuig, no? Pilgrims of Hope, ang pagkamalaumon. Now, the hopefulness is related to the slowly stripping of the littleness of earthly life. Nga dili gidi ay ni mao ang kinabuhi dinhi sa kalibutan. But it's very essential. Kaya unsaon man nato pagsugod kung dili ka magsugod dinhi. But then, what happens? It magnifies the awareness of the splendor and the magnificence of the life of and with God, which is in the future. In other words, this is a very beautiful nato expression ng gamiton kanunay ani. Muni ang three simple tenses of the verb: was, is, and will be. No? Kay kanang is, mo man na ang nagsugod, pero dili man ta makapadayon kung dili ta tan-aw sa luyo. No, because you have to learn from the lessons of the past as well. That's why it's like a cumulative thing. No? Pero padulong ta, that's why we are in a pilgrimage. Now, the second point here is never perish. Dili hana o dili unsa man? Unsa may perish sa Binisaya? Matapos. Dili wala, dili mahanaw. Now, this is the promise of a life that knows no end. Thereby, making death not an end, but the beginning. Okay? And this is about knowing the glory of indestructible life. Okay? So, mo ni usa sa mga hagit na ang atong pagsabot sa kamatayon, dili katapusan kung dili sinugdanan sa maong sunod nga ang iyang gisaad nato. Kay unsaon man nato pagkabot sa maong saad kung dili ka mamatay. No? Ako naman siguro rin nasulti ninyo, di ba? Na ang pari ng utana, kinsay gustong malangit. Isa pa man, kinsa mo dili. Pag ino na sa pari, ikaduhang kamutana, kinsay gustong mamatay. Wag yan, isa. Ingon na yung pari, saan ninyo pag-atos langit ang di mo mamatay? No? Pero dili sa karon, no? There is always a time for materially everything. Pero mao ni, apil na ni siya sa gisulti ni Jesus. This is part of the shepherding. No? Okay. And then finally, the third point in verse 28 is, no one can take them out of my hand. Okay? This is about a life that is secure. Okay? This, however, does not mean that they will be saved from sorrow, from suffering, and even from death. But that, muninindot kayo mapunto din niya, savor these words. But that, in the sorest moment and the darkest hour, they would still be conscious of the everlasting arms underneath and about them. Now that even in a world crashing to disaster, they would know the serenity of God. No? So mo nindot kayo nga larawan, nga hagit usab. Nabisan pa man naata sa tunga-tunga o sa aliwala sa mga kabuol o mga kagubot, kining saad sa maong kasiguraduan, dili matarong. No? Una nga, hope always. Sa ganinang famous na saying on hope, hope springs eternal. Hope springs eternal. Kabisan pa man naa sa kalisod na nagkatibulaang, nagkayagaw, na-adjoy, na ay muhika. No? Na it comes from the very personal experience also, our own personal experience. That's why there is always hope. No? And according to St. Paul, in his letter to the Romans, hope does not disappoint. Hope does not disappoint. Okay. Verse 29.